Hello dear students, welcome to the course of Engineering Thermodynamics. Myself Mihir Mistry from Mechanical Department of LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. This course is applied in third semester of Mechanical as well as Automobile Engineering branch. Now the subject code is 3131905 and it has 5 credits. Now let us understand what the word thermodynamic means. So word thermodynamic is nothing but combination of two words, that is therm plus dynamics. Together it will constitute thermodynamics. The therm is a Greek word that means heat and dynamic means force. So heat in force, that is together you will get as thermodynamics. Now it is always around you. So if you observe closely your day-to-day routine activities, then it is always around you and present around you. So as you can see, that is the very first example is boiling water. Another example is melting of ice. Another example is condensation on a solid surface. It might be glass or any other solid surface, right? Another example is a moving car or motorbike, right? Another example is IC engine. You might have studied during your first year level course IC engine, internal combustion engine. So that is also nothing but thermodynamics, right? Another example is refrigeration as well as air conditioning, right? So these all are day-to-day activities that you might encounter with, which is related to the subject thermodynamics. Now let us understand the course outline and outcome. So basically the subject is divided into 5 segments. The very first segment is represented as basic concept or introduction. In this concept or in this chapter, we will discuss about some fundamental definitions like temperature, pressure, enthalpy, etc. The second one is followed by first and second law of thermodynamics. So first and second law of thermodynamics chapter will deal with steady flow energy equation and its application to real life devices like boiler, turbine, compressor, condenser, heat exchanger, pump, etc. Then it is followed by entropy and exergy. So entropy and exergy chapter, we will learn about the application of this concept to different devices as well as different systems. Further, the chapter is vapor, gas and refrigeration cycle. So this segment we will discuss vapor cycle. So vapor cycle is basically heart of the thermal power plant, as well as gas power cycle is nothing but the heart of the Otto cycle or diesel cycle. Then refrigeration cycle is nothing but the heart of refrigeration air conditioning. So we will discuss these cycles. Then further combustion chapter. So combustion chapter will deal with calorific value measurement and its calculation. So calorific value is nothing but the amount of heat or energy released by substance of fluid, right? So that is combustion. Now we will also do some experiments in these chapters. Okay. Now let us understand the course outcome. So the very first outcome is you will be able to understand the concept and properties by identifying the first segment, that is introduction and basic concept. Also, you will be able to identify different subsystems, right? By learning the second chapter, that is first law and second law, you will be able to apply these laws to different devices. By learning entropy and exergy chapter, you will be able to identify different systems and as well as you will be able to apply the concept of entropy to different systems. By learning the chapter vapor, gas and refrigeration cycle, you will be able to identify different real life substance or applications. By learning the combustion chapter, you will be able to learn or calculate the calorific value or combustion phenomena, right? Now, why this course? This might be the question in your mind. So there are 2 segments. First is academic gain. So what is the academic gain? So academic gain is, it is the foundation of follow-on courses. What are the follow-on courses? So in your further semester, you might encounter with different courses like heat transfer, then internal combustion engines, then refrigeration and air conditioning and power plant engineering. So thermodynamic is nothing but the foundation of these follow-on courses. And the second gain is what? Real life gains. So what is the real life gain? So as you might aware that energy is a main crisis in today's world, right? So on the other side, population is increasing. So population is high, energy demand is high. But on the other side, supply is low. So demand is high, supply is low. So you have to find the alternative ways. So the energy sector is nothing but a very high professional promising career opportunity. Now these are the two gains, that is academic gain and real world gain, right? So this is the foundation course for real life as well as academic life. Now, the reference book that you might refer for this subject, the very first is Engineering Thermodynamics by P.K. Nath, which is published by McGraw-Hill Education. The second is Fundamental of Thermodynamics, which is published by Wille India, and the author is Bornek and Sontak. The third is Thermodynamics and Engineering Approach, and the author is Yunus Senjal and Bose. Again, it is by McGraw-Hill Education, right? One more task for you guys. Identify 5 energy transfer processes around you that is related to the subject of thermodynamics. Okay? Thank you.